Hello, I am a rainforest rescue group leader. Through the past few years, many destructions have caused terrible situations in the Amazon rainforest. Here are the rest of the crew. Georgine.
Hi.
Joel.
Hi.
And Anisha.
Hi.
Let's introduce the Amazon rainforest to you. The Amazon rainforest is a moist, broadleaf forest. It covers most of the Amazon basin in South America. The basin is 2.7 million square miles. If the Amazon rainforest was a country, it would rank 9th in size. The 9 nations that have the Amazon rainforest in their borders are Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname and French Guiana. Last of all, there are over 40,000 different plant species and approximately 2.5 million insect species in the Amazon rainforest.
There are approximately 3,000 fruits that grow in the Amazon rainforest that are edible. Also, many plants around the world have medical qualities. Of the plants known to have anti-cancer properties, 70% are found in the rainforest. Amazon natives use rainforest plants regularly, but 90% of the ones they use have not been studied by modern science. In the 16th century, there were between 6 and 9 million Amazon natives. Today, there are only an estimated 250,000 left. There are approximately 170 different languages spoken by the Amazon natives.
Due to efforts to fight deforestation in the Amazon, rates have been reducing slightly, but it is still an issue today. The droughts in 2005 and 2010 destroyed huge amounts of vegetation in the areas worst affected. The Amazon rainforest is also referred to as the lungs of the planet because it produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen. There are approximately 10 million species of animals, plants and insects known to man, and more than half of them call the rainforest home.
Finally, the Amazon rainforest accounts for more than half of the entire world's remaining rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is home to 10% of the known species in the world. Also, the Amazon rainforest is home to 205 of the bird species in the world. Last of all, it's estimated that if the climate change were to increase the world temperature by only 3 degrees Celsius, then 75% of the Amazon would be destroyed.
Humans like us are cutting down rainforests for many reasons. Wood for both timber and wood for making fires, agriculture for both small and large farms, and land for poor farmers who don't have anywhere else to live. The trees are used to provide timber and coal, creation of space for farming, the construction of highways and the building of mines and quarries. Wood is cut down to be used as timber and in making fires and manufacturing paper. Other reasons are creation of agriculture and grazing land as we extraction of minerals and energy. Rainforests are also being cut down by the government and large corporations for their timber.
Being caused by cutting down the trees. As we all know, the Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen, and due to the damage being caused, if we don't have any trees, our oxygen supply will get reduced in the coming years. In addition to this, 80% of our food comes from the rainforest, such as chocolate,
Bananas,
Coffee,
rice,
potatoes, and many more. If we don't have any of these plants, we might have not any more of these foods. Every day, 137 rainforest species get extinct. Over 3/4 of medicine we use come from the rainforest, and only 1% of the plants have been tested for medical purpose. As a result of the damage being caused, the animals lose their homes and food source, leading them to starvation.
Commercial logging is the second largest cause of rainforest destruction. Most of the timber taken from the forest is exported to the richer countries. It is used in the construction industry and for making furniture, plywood, veneers, wood plum, and paper are a renewable resource, but only if they are used and managed carefully. At present, this is not happening, and logging has become a wasteful and damaging forest activity. What is being done to save the trees?
Well, firstly, we can save the trees by planting more trees, by not cutting down the trees, by reducing the use of items made out of wood, such as paper, furniture, wood pulp, veneers, and many more. Also, by polluting the conducive atmosphere for the growth of the trees, by promoting the need to grow the trees.
The positive effects of deforestation are that the Brazilian government can allow the clearing of the forest of cattle ranching. They can also make money by doing this action. But on the other hand, the negative effects of deforestation are that we should listen to the environmental groups and leave the forest alone. We can also help by reducing the use of wood in our daily lives.
On behalf of the Rainforest Rescue Group, in my opinion, I think that we can help by warning people not to cut down the trees in any way, but to protect and save our precious and valuable trees. Remember, we all live on Earth with the help of trees.
We all love trees! you.